Welcome to DECKO. Today we'll be unboxing our FlexiStone wall panel samples to give you a clear look at the textures, the colors and the finishes that you can expect before choosing the right style for your project. So here's how they arrive. A clean, compact envelope. And the outer packaging is simple yet stylish and strong enough to protect these FlexiStone samples. The biggest samples are from our Brico range, and what you're seeing here is a full-size panel, which is the same size as what you would receive in a box of 12s, and we have two different versions of that. The others are our authentic offcuts from our classic range. They've been trimmed down so that you can experience the true texture and the color of each of those panels as well. So altogether we offer 5 color variants from the classic stone finish. We've got our Travertino, which comes in 2 different sizes. And then we've also got 2 different ones from our Brico peel and stick range. Okay, so we've got our Pietra Grigio, which is our 900 by 300 panels, roughly 1 foot by 3 foot. That comes in our Grigia color, our Pietra Alba, and our Travertino. Now this one comes in our Grande size as well. Our Grande size is 1200 by 600 or 4 foot by 2 foot. So we've got the Travertino, we have the Bianco, which has this really, really cool texture on it. And we also have our Marmo, and this has got a really nice stone sort of slate texture on it. Then we've got our Brico Natural. This is our peel and stick variation. So you've just got a little peel and you can peel that back and stick that onto your wall and you're good to go. Then we also have our Brico Travertino. This is a really nice sandstone look. The peel and stick backing is perfect for easy indoor installation. For outdoor installation, we recommend using a construction adhesive on the backing itself. Our Pietra and Grande range doesn't have the adhesive backing, but it does allow you to use a construction adhesive, especially for permanent indoor or outdoor applications. All of these FlexiStone panels are made from natural stone with polymer, which gives it this nice real stone look, feel and durability, and also allows it to be flexible enough to curve around walls and also columns. Our Grande Bianco panels are thicker and they are more textured, so they are a little bit more rigid and less flexible, but on big surfaces with nice curves, they will still work. You can order just one sample, a mix of your favorites, or a complete set. The choice is yours. These samples are designed to give you confidence in your choice. Place them against your wall, flooring, cabinetry to see how they look in your space and in your lighting. To order your sample or to explore the full FlexiStone range, visit us at DECKO, and we look forward to helping you transform your space.